What is good moral character for purposes of naturalization? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. We had a naturalization interview recently, and we have them all the time. And we also help people fill out N-400s, which is the application for naturalization. And one of the questions that comes up is, can the lawful permanent resident demonstrate that they have good moral character? How does one prove good moral character? Well, I think the main way to think about it is good moral character is actually a lack of bad moral character. So there's so many questions on the N-400. You know, when I first started doing naturalization cases, N-400s were about 5 pages long. Now they're about 20 pages long, and they're just literally hundreds of questions on that naturalization application. And so a lot of those questions are to figure out whether the person has bad moral character. So there's going to be a lot of questions on there like, have you ever been a prostitute or engaged in prostitution, been involved in illegal gambling or vice, or helping people sneak into the United States, or lying? All those things can be what's called bad moral character, or the absence of good moral character. So the problem is that good moral character definition is defined, but it's also sort of gray. In other words, immigration officers have a lot of discretion as to what they can consider good moral character or bad moral character. So if you're applying as a spouse of a U.S. citizen, you're going to have to demonstrate at least 3 years of good moral character. If you're applying as a regular green card holder, you're going to have to show 5 years of good moral character. And they can jump to conclusions or make their own assessments as to what constitutes bad moral character. So we've seen instances where someone had an affair and they said that was bad moral character, or too many traffic tickets. It might not be enough as a criminal event, but they might say, well, we don't believe that you're someone who's following the laws of the United States because you have 20 traffic tickets, and so therefore you lack good moral character. Now, one of the things we appeal the most is this issue of good moral character because it's so subjective. And so we really try to take a bright line rule and push USCIS to explain exactly why they believe that someone has not shown good moral character. So this is something that's probably going to need the help of an attorney to demonstrate good moral character or the absence of bad moral character. And so you're going to want to bring in notarized letters from people saying that you're a person of good moral character. You can rebut it by showing volunteer work that you do or rehabilitation. So if you had trouble in the past, or if you used to get a lot of tickets and now you have a lot less tickets, these are the kinds of ways that you can reestablish good moral character. So with it being so subjective, you can submit as much evidence as you want to demonstrate that you are a person of good moral character so that you can hopefully get that citizenship. If you have questions about what constitutes good moral character, or how to prove good moral character, or how to prove that you are not someone who has bad moral character, be sure to give us a call at 314-961-8200, or you can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, we ask that you please share it on social media. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, send us any ideas that you have for future videos, and of course you can find us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. We'd be happy to see you there, and we have a good discussion about what's going on in the immigration world on a daily basis in that Facebook group. So thanks a lot. Have a great day.